Today's crypto headlines are absolutely insane. We've got a $90 million cyber heist tied to Iran. Bitcoin is aiming for a moonshot to $230,000. And Coinbase just teamed up with Shopify to power global payments with USDC. Yeah, this is not the video you want to skip. This is the Crypto Pulse Daily, your no BS rundown of the top 5 crypto stories you need to know. Let's dive in. A pro-Israel hacking group claims to have jacked $90 million in crypto stolen straight from platforms allegedly connected to the Iranian regime. Yeah, this wasn't just some shadowy hacker group siphoning funds quietly in the dark. They released source code for the exchanges they hit. This is cyberwar plain and simple. Forget just another exploit. This attack has real-world consequences, politically, economically, and digitally. What we're witnessing, a clash of nation-states playing out on-chain. Expect to see major discussions around regulations, privacy coins, KYC enforcement, and possibly even new sanctions policies coming out of this. Keep a close eye on Monero, Tornado Cash clones, and any exchange not playing nice with regulators. Because if governments respond, the next phase of regulation may be coming fast and it won't be subtle. Let's shift gears and talk Bitcoin. Because despite all the macro noise and market hesitation, the charts are whispering something huge. According to Cointelegraph, 30 on-chain bull market indicators, the same ones that usually scream top incoming, haven't even blinked. In other words, this rally might not be close to over. Some analysts are now targeting $135,000, even $230,000 BTC in the next big leg up. Yeah, $230,000. Here's what's fueling the fire. Spot ETF inflows are steady. Miner selling is cooling off. Retail is just starting to poke its head back in. But here's the catch. When everyone gets greedy, volatility comes out to play. So yeah, stay excited, but stay sharp. This market loves to humble overconfidence. Real-world use case, USDC x Shopify now. For some massive adoption news you might have missed, Coinbase just partnered with Shopify. This isn't just a press release headline. This is global stablecoin payments going live with millions of merchants instantly. Using USDC on Base, Shopify store owners can now accept crypto payments that are fast, cheap, fully transparent on-chain. This is what crypto was built for. Borderless, peer-to-peer commerce, without middlemen, delays, or fees that eat into margins. Some are calling this the first real step toward USDC becoming the new PayPal, but better, faster, and decentralized. Watch this space because stablecoins are going mainstream. And this Shopify move might just be the catalyst for global retail crypto adoption. DeFi's quiet comeback, but bigger. Speaking of real-world traction, let's talk DeFi. No, it's not dead. It's not sleeping. It's evolving. A fresh report shows that DeFi lenders are now managing over $60 billion in assets. But here's the twist. It's not just crypto anymore. We're talking tokenized real-world assets, like real estate, business invoices, and even short-term treasury bills. Institutions are circling, protocols are getting licensed. Some DeFi platforms are starting to look and operate more like fintech banks than Degan playgrounds. This is DeFi 2.0, smarter, more compliant infrastructure grade. So if you thought DeFi was all about yield farming and rug pulls, think again. The next wave is about bringing traditional finance on-chain, and it's happening right now. And finally, let's zoom in on Solana because things are weird. Despite a strong ecosystem and solid strategies, one of its biggest players, filing to list on Nasdaq, the token dropped below $144. That's a solid minus 10% week. So what's happening here? Bearish price action, bullish fundamentals. Is it macro fear? Is it whales taking profits? Or is it just a healthy pullback after a killer run? Either way, this feels like a divergence. Solana's ecosystem is thriving, especially independent and on-chain gaming, but the token, struggling. So is this a golden buy the dip moment, or a sign of deeper weakness? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because the community's take matters here. Let's do a quick recap. A $90 million cyber war shaking up the Middle East and crypto. Bitcoin might still be early in its bull run. Targets hitting $230,000, stablecoins going global thanks to Coinbase and Shopify. DeFi is growing up and going institutional. Solana's got strength under the hood, even if the price looks shaky. This space never sleeps, and neither do we. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you never miss a beat in the crypto world. And ring that notification bell. Trust me, you'll want to stay updated. Drop your top pick in the comments. Which of these 5 stories do you think will move the market hardest this week? Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, stay decentralized. This is the Crypto Pulse Daily, signing off.